Hey, Tico.
Ooh, his butthole. His butthole goes on everything. Yeah, not nice because of you.
He wipes on the carpet.
He wipes with his tongue.
So we got Kelly back. He's come and bring us some boards that's gonna trim out on our slide. Got some beautiful cypress boards. You just toss it right here for right now. Really look good, man. That's gonna go on the outside edge of our slide out. Then he also got some he's got a piece for us that's gonna go at the bottom of our closet. This piece, it's some cypress as well. I mean, it really looks good. Kelly outdone himself again. So again, Mr. Kelly Loupe with Boisserie Woodworking just came and dropped this off for us. And he's out of Raceland, Louisiana. I'll link his stuff again and be down in the description. But look at this, he made these little bitty things for us. These are the corners that's gonna go at the top. It's just awesome. And this piece right here goes at the bottom of our closet. When I opened up the closet, I noticed it was ragged. Like, just got a little piece of, like, not even cardboard. It looks, I don't even know what it is. It's a weird material. So let me show you what I bought. This is the rug. I bought this rug off of Amazon. I'll try to leave a link down below of what it is, but I'm gonna be cutting this rug. I'm gonna cut a section out like this. And I'm going to glue this down using some contact cement. I'm gonna glue it down on top of the doghouse. Also, I'm gonna take some little strips like this right here. I'm gonna cut some little strips over here. And the front portion underneath the dash, we're gonna put some of this stuff too. Today's a beautiful day outside. What we're gonna be doing is we're going to be putting new carpet on top of the engine cover. So I got some contact cement. I'm gonna paint both of these things with some contact cement, let it dry, and then we're gonna stick the carpet on top and try to pull it tight. Let me show you. So I just trimmed all the edging off of this thing, and I think it came out pretty cool. We got a unique color pattern on it. It matches the inside. So what I have to do now is I gotta go and I gotta cut a piece of plywood to cover the front end of this, because we're gonna have a little piece in the front I want to cover as well. We're just gonna staple that one. Just like that. I think that looks good, and it fits tight. Cool. So what I just did was I added this bottom of this closet. It's a 100+ cypress, some Cinca cypress. Just put that in there. You continue putting the carpet around the front area. I got this side done right here, and now all I gotta do left is kind of put something around the steering column underneath in this little block, and we're gonna be done.
I wonder if I should have got gray.
Grab that in. Let's grab that in. Come up on top.
Oh, you got the sides already done.
I want you to just
line it up.
I want you to line it up so it's flush. Okay,
Baby,
so
this
listen,
is
I'm gonna
beautiful.
come this way just a little bit.
It's not flush.
It's not. Look, come look at it on this.
It's not bad though.
Look at it on this end, how it looks. Okay.
That's good. Looks kind of raw.
All right, come right here.
Baby, this is beautiful.
Come right here and hold this. Just come right here and hold it.
Look at it. It's right here. Gorgeous. Damn. Is it where you want it? That'll be it.
Alrighty. Well, it's Saturday afternoon. We spent all morning working in the motorhome.
And cleaning.
So now we just picked up some stuff. One of my friends is having like a boucherie right now. He's turning a pig or roasting a pig, if you want to know the correct terms. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go stop by for about an hour. We're gonna go fly the drone over his property, and hopefully we can have a good time. There's Mama. Beautiful day for a Jeep ride.
We are going camping next weekend. Finally. Finally. We're going to do a little test run to a campground that's not far from here called Lake Park in Morgan City. It's really nice. Got a little beach, a man-made beach, and a big lake and walking trails.
Yeah, we're gonna be there for the 17th.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool. Finally get to camp. We camped in the driveway, but as like a little test run.
It was fun.
It was fun, but we're ready to go. So once we get a good, check off the list at Lake Inn, we're gonna start booking up sites. We only have a few things left on the campo. I have to finish doing some new curtains.
We can figure out what we're gonna do with that space above where the TV was.
We kind of know what we want to do. So just little things. So the tour's coming, but we're gonna start camping first.
Yeah.
Because we didn't take no vacation, nothing, and we ready. We're ready to disconnect. This is our disconnect.
Yeah, it is.
This is how we do.
Well, again, we appreciate y'all watching, and join us again.